Didn't I tell you guys that 5 and Below had LaBuBus? Now everyone's posting videos of their LaBuBus and 5 and Below. Now let's go to 5 and Below. Now let's see where they are. Let's see them over here. Where are they? We don't see them down there. Are they over here? That one kind of looks like one, but it's not it. I don't see him at this location, but let's keep looking. Let's check over here again. These are like puzzle pieces. Look how cute they are. Look how cute. So they do not have them at this location. I'm gonna go to another location.